Mawawala na yung ano natin, yung nip slip, ewan ko, basta.
Opak! Ganda ka!
Hey royalties, let's do a quick unboxing. So I've got the package here, so let's open it.
Wait, parang nakalimutan ko na kung ano to eh. Kasi dumating,
I remember now. Yeah. So, matatawa kayo dito. Parang, I never thought that I'll be able to get something like this, but wala eh. It happens. So, hopefully it will help with our current situation right now. So, matatawa na lang kayo. But, yeah, I've got the reusable nipple cover. Cause why not? Ayan siya, guys. So, sa likod niya is the instruction of how to wear yours. Dude! You'll be able to reuse it as well. Tapos pwede mo siyang linisin.
So, ito siya. Ooh, okay, so.
Siyempre, you have two dudes! Ayan siya, guys. Okay. So, lalagay mo siya dito para hindi makita ang ating nipples kapag may mga suot tayong t-shirt or polo na medyo fit or alam mo na malambert. Yeah. So, hopefully this will help. Mawawala na yung ano natin. Yung nip slip. Ewan ko. Basta. So, kapag ginamit ko siya, ipakita ko sa inyo. Yung magiging parang end result. Then this one will be the parang cleanser. Kasi 'di ba, pwede natin siyang i-reuse. So syempre sometimes natin may iwasan na mabasa siya ng ating sweat. So at least meron tayong pang linis.
Then this one is kasama rin mismo na nabibili dun sa, kanilang online shop. And it's the same brand,
Dude wash. So, nipple cover foam wash, 50 ml. So, ayan siya. Cutie, diba? I hope you enjoy our quick unboxing. Laters!